So the purpose of creating this diploma in IFRS is for those people who do not want to do ACCA, and they do need to be qualified in IFRS knowledge. So this qualification was created for them, that you don't do ACCA. You already have done your bachelor's in your university. You have done master's from in accounting or finance from your university. Maybe you have studied 10, 15, 20 years ago. You are a working professional. You are 35 years, you are 40 years. We cannot tell you that if you want to learn IFRS, you must do the entire ACCA. That does not make sense. So that was an individual independent qualification which is stand alone that was created. So who are doing it? To give people a short route, like 6 months. Take do your preparation in 6 months and pass the exam and get your diploma. Okay. Now, it is designed for working professionals with minimum 2 years of experience in accounting and finance. I said 2 years, so it is like 2 years or 3 years. What does that mean? If you have a relevant accounting qualification, you need 2 years experience to show in order to take exam. If you do not have relevant accounting experience, you should have, actually, by the way, a bachelor's degree is required, but you don't have a bachelor's degree in accounting, or maybe the bachelor's degree is not considered as relevant by the ACCA, then you need to have 3 years experience. So minimum 2 years or 3 years. So it means that people who are just beginners, it is not for them. So you should have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. I have seen that most of the people who are doing or taking this diploma, they usually have 5+ years of experience. Internationally recognized qualification in over 180 countries. So that's a big benefit. It has a worldwide recognition. All those countries where IFRS is there, diploma IFRS has immense value. Now, who should do it? I will explain. Why you should do it? I will explain. There is only one exam which you need to pass, and the time which is taken is probably 4 to 5 months of preparation. I would say that it takes 150 to 170 hours total time for learning and practicing and getting ready for exam. Okay. Covers IFRS part from this. So what they have done when they created this qualification, the idea was that whatever IFRS knowledge you have in your ACCA professional qualification, that knowledge is taken out and this separate qualification is created. So it is only focusing on IFRS. And once you pass your DipIFR exam, it gives you exemption to ACCA FR, only one paper. Actually, historically, until 2015 or 16, I would say, DipIFR was giving two exemptions from ACCA, F3 and F7. So I remember that because I've been teaching this thing for so long. So I have been through this journey. I know that previously ACCA used to give two exemptions, F3, F7. Then ACCA only started giving one, which is FR, which is F7. Average time to complete is 4 to 5 months. And weekly effort, now it is total time 4 to 5 months. So, but 4 to 5 months of what? Should I study from morning till evening or what? So I would suggest that 10 to 12 hours per week you should allocate. Okay. I tell you that if those people who delay it too much, they say, okay, I'm going to do it in 1 year, they cannot do it. If you do it in 6 months, you do it. If you don't do it in 6 months, then probably there is a lack of motivation, then you might not be able to do it. So those people who really want to get this qualification, I suggest that they should start giving 10 to 12 hours per week. And if you give 10 to 12 hours per week, you will get ready in 4 to 5 months, and then you can take exam. It is suitable for accountants, senior accountants, chief accountants, finance managers, independent consultants, and auditors.